Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.
Have you ever watched bees visit flowers? They fly out and come back again and again, but something amazing happens inside the hive. How do bees tell others where the best flowers are? Hi, I'm Alice, your explorer friend. I love discovering how nature works. Bees may be tiny, but they are very smart. They work together to help their whole hive. Today you will learn how bees send messages. You will see how bees use dancing. You will learn how smells help them share ideas, and how touch helps them understand each other. Let's go inside a beehive. A hive is the bee's home. It is busy, warm, and full of bees. This is where messages are shared. A worker bee flies out to look for flowers. Some flowers have nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid from flowers. Bees use nectar to make honey. The bee flies back to the hive. Inside, it starts a special dance. This dance is called the waggle dance. Waggle means a quick side-to-side shake. The dance has a figure 8 shape. The direction shows which way to fly. The length shows how far the flowers are. Other bees watch and learn. Bees also communicate using smell. Smell travels through the air. Bees make special smells called pheromones. A pheromone is a chemical message. When a bee visits a flower, scent sticks to it. The bee carries the scent home. Other bees smell it. They learn which flower to find. Some pheromones warn of danger. They tell bees to be careful. Smell helps bees react fast. It helps the hive work as one team. Bees also communicate by touching. They use their antennae. Antennae are feelers on a bee's head. They help bees sense each other. Inside the hive, it can be dark. It can also be very crowded. Touch helps when bees cannot see well. Gentle taps share information. Bees use dancing, smell, and touch. All three work together. These signals help bees find food. They help the hive stay safe and survive. Here is a fun fact. Scientists study bee dances carefully. Bees use the sun to share direction. Even on cloudy days, they know where it is. Let's recap what we have learned today. Bees dance to show direction and distance. They use smells to send messages. They touch to stay connected. That is how bees talk to each other. Ready for another adventure? Come explore with Mini Docs for Kids. The world is full of amazing discoveries. See you next time.